It is time to do another Nature Sunshine shipment unboxing. So we're just going to get our knife out and see what we've got in this box. This box is sat in the corner of my office for just a couple of days. You know, over the Christmas holidays, things got a little hectic, so I didn't unpack it right away. But we'll get to that right now. So what do we have in here? All right, got quite a few things. ADC. This has a different name in the US. I think it's probably called something about adrenals, maybe. This is a combination of traditional Chinese medicine ingredients, and this was specifically designed as a herbal blend traditionally to support vitality, mood, and occasional sleeplessness while encouraging an overall sense of well-being. It provides traditional nervous system support. Really like this one when there's a lot going on and I'm feeling a little bit pulled in lots of directions. What else do we have in here? Let's see, let's do this one next. Cranberry and Buku. Cranberry and Buku supports the body's efforts to defend the urinary tract. Buku is a South African herb that has been historically called a woman's best friend for urinary tract support. Cranberry and Buku together defend the mucosal integrity of the urinary tract. And you can look online and find all kinds of research about cranberry, especially for urinary tract infections. So you can then figure out what cranberry and Buku might be able to do together. Then we have, which one do I want next? Okay, let's do this one, Garden Essence Enzymes. If you've been with me for more than about 10 minutes, you already know that this is one of my favorite enzyme formulations. This has aromatic herbs as well as enzymes to support digestion of all types of food except dairy. And the aromatic herbs in here stimulate the production of digestive fluids. The enzymes, of course, in here are designed to help you break down the non-digestible fiber, starches, and pectin. And then we have LBS2. This one's been around forever. This is one of the first formulations I learned about over 4 decades ago. This is a best-selling exclusive formula, and it combines potent herbs and natural ingredients to get things moving, if you know what I mean. It supports bowel regularity, and it just really does help the bowels to function with better movement. So that's a good thing to have on hand. Then we've got vitamin E with selenium. Vitamin E and selenium are both antioxidants. They have a synergistic relationship to each other. We know that modern food processing kind of can damage both vitamin E and selenium. We don't get as much vitamin E and selenium from our diet. And so, but we need these antioxidants to protect the body against free radical damage. This is a cool thing because when vitamin E has done its thing as an antioxidant, selenium can recharge it, right? So that's a real good benefit there. When you've got the vitamin E with the selenium, kind of get extra benefit from the vitamin E, I think. Then we have one of my favorite formulas. This formula, STRJ combination, features passion flower, hops, chamomile, has been traditionally used for promoting calm, promoting calm and for mood support. It's good for helping to relieve the effects of occasional stress. And so I often will use it if I'm feeling a little bit wound up, and it just kind of helps me to balance out and feel a little more in control, which is a good thing. Echinacea and golden seal. Yep, it's that time of year, folks, when the immune system might need a little extra support. And what we know about this combination is that it has been used traditionally to activate and support the immune system. I don't know what your house has been like, but over Christmas, we've had our adult children and many of our grandchildren sick. And I will admit that I've been taking just 1 capsule a day of this, plus a whole bunch of other supplements because I like my supplements. And I've been eating well and making good food choices and not going heavy on the sugars and making sure I get my sleep and my sunshine and my exercise. And in spite of hugging and loving children and grandchildren who've been ill, I've stayed well through all of it. And I think that this could have been a part of why. And then something that is kind of unusual in a supplement box, this is the Essential Shield multi-purpose concentrated cleaner. This is something that I really, really like using. It doesn't have the parabens and the fake odors and funny colors added to it. It has a lot of essential oils in it. I use it for cleaning the bathroom, for doing the kitchen counter. You know, when we go camping, I use this as my shower gel. I'll use it for my shampoo. I use this for everything I possibly can. And I find that it is just a lovely non-toxic but very effective cleaner. So that's everything that's in my shipment today. I hope that was interesting for you and that you maybe picked up a few tips of things that you could do with some of these formulations. Take good care. Bye for now.